In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eBay, a fantastic online marketplace where you can discover everything from rare collectibles to everyday necessities. If you're new to eBay or need a refresher on how to navigate it effectively, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you have all the guidance you need to make your shopping experience smooth and enjoyable. First, it's essential to create an account if you haven't already. Head over to ebay.com and look for the register button. It's typically found at the top of the homepage. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to enter your name, email, and a secure password. Remember, you also have the option to sign in using your Google or Apple accounts, which can speed up the process significantly. After setting up your account, it's time to start searching for that item you've been eyeing. The search bar is conveniently located at the top of the page. Type in what you're looking for and press enter. To refine your results, make use of the filtering options. You can narrow down your search by category, price, item condition, and even seller location. These filters are particularly helpful when you're dealing with thousands of listings and need to pinpoint exactly what you want. eBay offers different purchasing options, and it's crucial to know which one suits your needs best. You can sort your search results to show items available with the Buy It Now option or those listed in an auction format. The Buy It Now feature allows you to purchase an item instantly at a fixed price, which is great if you want to avoid any bidding wars. On the other hand, if you find the thrill of competing for the best price enticing, participating in auctions could be your thing. Just remember, when bidding, keep a close eye on the timer to snag that deal. Once you've decided on a purchase, the next crucial step is payment. eBay provides various secure payment methods. You can choose PayPal, a credit or debit card, or even opt for Apple Pay or Google Pay if you prefer these digital wallets. After selecting your payment method, don't forget to add your shipping address to ensure your purchase arrives at the right location. If you happen to have a coupon code, this is a perfect opportunity to apply it for some extra savings. eBay frequently offers promotional codes, so it's wise to keep an eye out for those. Finally, with everything set, click Place Order. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have the essential skills to navigate eBay successfully. Happy shopping, and may you find exactly what you're looking for at an amazing deal.